If you're looking for AI models for clothing business and you're on a budget, let me introduce you to FreePick AI. Now, this is how FreePick works. If you go to the website, this is how it looks, and then on the left side, they have image generator. Once you sign up for FreePick AI, every single day you can generate 20 images for free. I didn't know this, but you can do virtual try-ons with it. I tried it today and it worked superbly. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to look at the style. Now we're going to click on style and we're going to go for photo. They have other options that you could go for, but I prefer to usually go for photo. Right? Then we go with add. Next, we're going to add the item. So where it says add with a plus sign, we click on that and then we upload the garment we want. You can have tops, bottoms, or dresses, but I'm going to go with this dress. So when the dress is uploaded, you're just going to click add. You can add a few more other items so let's just say shoes, bags, kind of like accessories. So let's keep it simple. And then next we're going to write a prompt. So we're going to describe what we want. So we want a beautiful lady with dark hair wearing the dress in, and then we're going to press the add sign and it gives us the option of image 1. Image 1 is the only one option, so we're just gonna go with the dress in image 1 and an office setting. So I'm gonna make her smile. Okay. All right, so this is what we want as our prompt. So over here below it, these are the options of generations you're going to get. I have noticed that it usually generates one with the garment and one with the model wearing something else. So with 2, you're going to get one spot on image. If you go with 4, you probably get 2 spot on images. Let's try 4 and see what we get. So all we have to do is click on generate. So remember, you have 20 a day. So with 4 down, I have about 16 to go. All right, so the generations are super, super fast. Aha, exactly as I said. So we get with 4, we get 2 generations spot on with the outfit and 2 that are with some other outfit. Okay, I like this one. Yeah, that is the dress and she is in an office. I really like this one. This is cute as well. And she is smiling in both of them. So I guess I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to go with this because this looks like my favorite. Now the download button is on the right side. There's a download button right here. Top right, we just press that. And then we have options of PNG, JPEG, and SVG. SVG is only for premium customers. So for the free option, you have PNG and JPEG. PNG works for me. So I'm just going to hit download. And it's going to be downloaded onto my device. It's that simple. Then you just rinse and repeat. You can delete this and then you can get another outfit. Now let's try another style. I'm going to go with fashion photo this time around because it is fashion that we're doing, isn't it? And we're just going to add that and we'll pick another outfit. This time I'm going to pick just a top and then I will in the prompt tell it which bottom to use in addition. All right, so I have the top. Because we have made changes, the tag has not been highlighted, so we would have to highlight it. So let's change this a bit. You can just delete the one and then I'll highlight it. It'll suggest it and we select that, then it's highlighted. All right, so this is the prompt I'm giving the AI. And instead of 4, we're just going to go with 2 to see how this would work. And then we click on generate. It amazes me how fast it generates. All right, so similar to the previous one. The first image is off in terms of the outfit. The second one actually works. Ooh, but we're having a few inconsistencies. The top has a slit here and yeah, it's not working very well. All right. Now, I really don't see the difference between this fashion option and this image. The only thing I see in as a difference is it looks like there are more shadows. It's more like a flash photography type thing. I'm not particularly sure I want this, but if this is the aesthetic you're looking for, then you've got it. I'm gonna try this again, and the only thing I'm going to change is the style. Now anything with a gold crown is premium, so it's not available for the free plan. So we're just gonna do the same thing again, use the same prompt to see if anything will change here. All right, let's see. The same thing happened. One is off, the other is fine. And this time the blouse came out way better. So we have the blouse looking fly, the model's looking pretty. She's walking in her hallway. I don't know why it's giving me hospital hallway, but it's really cute, and I'm gonna download this in PNG. This is so cute as well, but it's like definitely off what we're looking for. All right. So this is how you can get really stunning images for free. I know some people say, why don't you just use Gemini or ChatGPT? I feel like so many people are using Gemini and ChatGPT, and it's becoming obvious. We are beginning to tell. And I feel like an image like this looks way more unique and way more put together. And the proportions work so much better than chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini AI. In my description, I have a link to Freepik AI so you can try it out. And remember, you get 20 credits every single day. So it rolls over every day. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.